Hi guys, today I received this UFO LED high bay light for reviewing purposes. We have in here the instruction manual with all the steps to install it, which I think that it's really nice. Okay, then we have the main unit. Okay, it also comes with a chain, the hooks that we're gonna need, and everything else, the cable, and this is the proper main unit. Okay, as you can see, it's really slim. It has this cooling system right here, and it comes with the extension cord ready to just plug it in. Okay, to use it we have two options: with this cable or with the chain hanging with this little hook right here, which I think that it's really nice. Or we can use them both at the same time. That way we can ensure that it ain't gonna fall. Okay, like this and with the chain. So let's go ahead and test it out. I'm gonna place it upon our storage room, and I think that it's gonna be really nice. Okay, so well, let's go. This hack bay light is designed for use in different scenarios, environments, your garage, a workshop, even in a barn or factory, and you can also place it up to 16 feet, which I think that is nice. Okay guys, you can see it's all replaced in, and I think that it looks amazing. It has a really powerful LED lights that make easy to see where you want to place it, and I think that it's perfect for your garage, your storage room, like right here. And well, you just need to plug it in, which I think that it's really great. And as you can see, it has different hooks to install it upon the ceiling. You can place it with the cable that comes included or with the chain, which I think that it's really nice. And overall, I like it a lot. As I've said, placing it was really easy. I basically just hang it on and that's it. Okay, so overall I like it a lot. It's really nice, and I would really recommend it. See you guys.